What's up, everybody? We are here at Stagecoach Festival 2026, and we are going to do a really quick run through of the dance Footloose for those of you that want to learn it. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by facing forward, our weight's on our left foot. We're going to do alternating heels. So right heel, then left heel, then right heel, then left heel. So all together, that's right and left and right and left. Then we're going to do two heels forward, heel, heel with the right foot. Then the same foot does two toes back, toe, toe. So that's heel, heel, toe, toe. So all together, that's right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, moving on. We are going to do think of it this way. Say it if that helps you do it better. We're going to point the front, then you're going to point it side, then you're going to point it back, then side. So think of it as front, side, back, side. It also helps if you keep your feet closer together, so your center of gravity is better to keep balance, okay? So it's front, side, back, side. So all together, it looks like this. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side. Let's try that again. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side. One more time. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side. Moving on. This dance is called slapping leather because you're supposed to slap the leather of your boot. This is what the move looks like, and then I'll explain it to you. After we did our front, side, back, side, we're going to smack our boot back, side, front, side. If that's too hard, you don't have to do that. You can just do your toe on the foot again. But it's back, side, front, side. Choose what you're doing right now, and let's do it. Ready, go. Back, side, front, side, or back, side, front, side. So that whole sequence is front, side, side, back, side, front, side. The bad news is we have to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder when we're done with that. So it's going to look like this, okay? Watch first if you have to watch first. Front, side, back, side, back, side, front, side. Okay, so now we're facing here. Let's try all that together. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side. Your weight should still be on your left foot. We're facing this wall now. We're almost done. We're going to do a grapevine to the right. A grapevine looks like this. Step side with the right, behind it with the left, side with the right, and touch your left foot next to your right. That's 4 steps. So it's right, behind, right, touch. Then we're going to do the same thing to the left. It looks like this. Left, behind, left, and touch. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Looks like this. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch. Let's see if we can do it all together. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side, grapevine to the right, touch, grapevine to the left, touch. Now, moving on. We're going to go backwards, okay? You're going to take this right foot. You're stepping back, touch your left foot next to your right, then again, back and touch. Your weight should be on your right foot. This left forward foot is free. Now we're going to do it forwards. Forward, touch, forward, touch. Some people like to stomp on that part. Forward, stomp, So just the grapevines and the back and forwards. Ready, go. Right behind, right, touch. Left behind, left, touch. Back together, back, touch. Forward stomp, forward stomp. And to end the dance, we're gonna do, click our little heels out like Dorothy. Out, in, out, in. And also, if you wanna continue the slapping of the leather, you can go back, together, back, slap, forward, forward. Okay, some people like to do that. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You can also add it on the grapevines. Slap, left behind, left, slap. Right behind, right, slap. Left behind, left, slap. Back together, back, slap. Forward, forward. And so on and so forth. It depends how much slapping and fancy you want to be. Let's add that all together. See if you remember from the top. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side, right behind, right, touch, left behind, left. Now backwards, back together, back, forwards, forward stomp, out, in, out, in. How'd you do? Hit that rewind button if you have to. We're moving on to this wall now, okay? So all together, we're gonna end up facing your back wall from where you started. Ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side, right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward and out, in, stop right there. You should now be facing back. You can't see me probably, but you got this. Let's do it twice in a row, okay? 5, 6, ready, go. Right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side, right behind, right and left behind, left, backwards, back together, back and forward, touch, forward and out, in, start again, right and left and right and left and heel, heel, toe, toe, front, side, back, side, front, side, right behind, right and left behind, left and back together, back and forward and out, in, out, in. Hopefully you crushed that. If you didn't, watch it over and over again and then click the link for my next video to dance it through with music. Thanks for learning with me. Woo!